In this video, we will show you how to make this professional slide in PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Teardrop, drag it like this. Drag the yellow dot to upside. Rotate, select both, go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Delete unwanted part. Select this, click on right button, copy it, go to View tab, click on Slide Master, select and delete. Paste here, click on Insert Placeholder, select Picture, drag it like this. Send to back, click on Outside. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Intersect. Click on Slide Master and close Master View. Click on New Slide, select this title slide, click icon to add picture. Here I have downloaded picture from Google, select and insert it. Go to first slide, duplicate using press Ctrl Shift. Select both, go to Format, go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Select this, cut using Ctrl X, go to second slide, paste here. Select color from Shape Fill, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, go to Format Shape and increase transparency. Duplicate using Ctrl Shift. Select color using the eyedropper and adjust like this. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Circle, drag it like this. Go to Shape Fill, select color using eyedropper. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Select the text box and write Design here. Select and change the font. Make it bold. Select Very Loose from Character Spacing. Also change the color. Select both. Align Center and Align Middle. Select this. Go to Animation tab. Apply Wipe Animation. Also increase the duration size. Select and click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Go to Effect option, select from top. Select Start After Previous. Click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Go to Effect option, select from bottom. Select this, apply Zoom Animation. Select Start After Previous. Also increase the duration size. Select this, apply Split Animation. Select Start After Previous. Also increase the duration size. Select this text box, apply Floating Animation. Select Start After Previous. Also increase the duration size. Apply the same animation to the rest of the text boxes using the Animation Painter. And also select background color. Now let's go to full screen. So look how beautiful your animation looks. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.